Okay, you're in Microsoft Excel and you're having trouble formatting your dates. I'm going to show you how to format dates using various different formats, but also format dates using different international languages. Okay, let's see how this can be done. Now, your first step would be to select the cell or cells that contain the date you want to format. And then you can either right-click on that date and go to Format Cells, or use the shortcut key Control-1. Now, the easiest way to change the format for your date is to go down to the Custom option in this category list, and then to use this Type box. Now, you can see the format that Excel is currently using for this cell: month, day, and year. Now, what you can do is edit this format in the Type box. If I delete what's currently there, now watch the sample box as I type new characters in this Type box. Now, what I'm going to do is type 3 Ds, and you can see I get an abbreviated day of the week. A 4th D would give me the full name of the day of the week. Space, then I'm going to type a D, space, then I'm going to type an M, so that's the number of the month. Another M, and then another, I get an abbreviated name of the month. Another M, I get the full name of the month. Space, and then 3 Ys, and I get the year. So if I click on OK, the format is applied to my date. So you can make up any custom format that you like. For example, say I wanted the year at the beginning of the date. So I'd type my 3 Ys, then I'd put a dash in, maybe, and then the month, and then another dash, and then the day. Click on OK, and I get my date formatted in that way. Now I'm going to go back into Format Cells, and we're going to go back to the date category. And I just want to explore this list of date formats here. So you can see that some of these formats have an asterisk in front of the date. And down here, it explains what the asterisk means. Date formats that begin with an asterisk respond to changes in the regional date and time settings that are specified for the operating system. Now, I just want to look at where that setting is. So I'm going to click on OK, and I need to go into the control panel on my PC. Now, to do that, I'm going to use Windows S on my keyboard, and I've got the control panel there, but if you can't see it, just type control panel in the search bar at the top here. Open up the control panel and make sure you're viewing by category, and then go to this clock and region settings and click on this link, change date and time or number formats. So let's say I change the format to English United Kingdom and click on OK, and then close the control panel down. So you can see now that that setting has changed the date format in this worksheet. Now, if I go back into the Format Cells dialog box, I can also use this drop-down list here to select a location. So for example, if I went back to United States and then selected the date format I wanted to use from this list, click on OK, you can see it formats the date in the US format. Now, how do I format dates using different international languages? Well, we're going to format this date with the French language and this date with the Chinese language. And the key to doing this is to use these international codes. Now, I've left a list of international codes in this workbook on the sheet called Language Codes, and this workbook is available for download via a link in the description of this video. So what I'm going to do is select the cell and then go back into Format Cells. I'm going to go to Custom. I'm going to delete the format that's currently being used in the type box. And then I'm going to type this code in to the type box. So I start with an open square bracket, then a $, dash 040 C, close square bracket. Then I can specify the format that I want for the date. So I'm going to use 4 Ds. And you can see here it's using the French language, space D, space 3 Ms, 4 Ms, space 3 Ys. Click on OK, widen the column a little, and there we have the date in the French language. Let's format this date with the Chinese language. So back into Format Cells, I go to Custom, delete the format that's currently being used, open square bracket, $, dash, 0404, close square bracket, 4 Ds, then a D, 4 Ms, and then 3 Ys. Click on OK, and I have the date using the Chinese language. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. Hopefully that's useful. If it is, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.